Hey there, car enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many car owners face, the P0701 code. If you've seen this code pop up on your scanner, don't worry. We'll walk you through what it means and how to fix it. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what the P0701 code means. P0701 indicates a problem with the transmission control system. This could be due to several reasons, including wiring issues, a faulty transmission control module TCM, or even a mechanical problem within the transmission. To confirm the P0701 code, you'll need an OBD2 scanner. Simply plug it into your car's diagnostic port, which is usually located under the dashboard. Once connected, turn on the ignition but don't start the engine. Navigate through the scanner's menu to read the codes. As you can see, our scanner has detected the P0701 code. Now that we've confirmed the issue, let's move on to diagnosing the root cause. There are a few steps we need to follow to diagnose and fix this issue. Let's start by checking the transmission fluid level and condition. Check the transmission fluid. Low or dirty transmission fluid can cause various transmission issues, including triggering the P0701 code. Ensure the fluid level is correct and that the fluid is clean. If it's low, top it up. If it's dirty, consider a transmission fluid change. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for any damaged wires, loose connections, or corrosion around the transmission control module and sensors. Electrical issues are a common cause of the P0701 code. Test the transmission control module. If the wiring looks good, the TCM might be at fault. Using a multimeter, check for proper voltage and continuity. If the TCM is faulty, it may need to be replaced. Perform a mechanical inspection. If everything else checks out, the issue might be mechanical. Look for signs of wear or damage in the transmission. In some cases, internal components like solenoids or clutch packs may need to be repaired or replaced. Once you've gone through these steps, clear the code with your OBD2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. If the P0701 code doesn't return, congratulations, you fixed the problem. If it does, further diagnostics may be required, and it might be time to consult a professional mechanic. And that's how you fix the P0701 code. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car repair tips and tutorials. Drive safe and see you next time.